Our today's topic is very simple, in which we are just going to deploy the site in Nultify in just a very short steps. First of all, you need to have the file names like index is the main home page, and after weather, seed, cluster information. These all folders are needed. Assets are just like images, CSS and other files. So what you have to do is just you have to check your website and first of all in Sublime Text. So when you open the Sublime Text and go to the index and just run it, and containing folder is the same. So you just need to run it on behalf to get attention that your site is working properly. Once you have checked that your site is working properly, then you what have to do, just have to deploy a free hosting. So that's for that cause I will just going to tell you one free hosting site in which you can just host your website in just 5 seconds. Just go to the Chrome and write here the Nultify. Okay, so here is the Nultify, and go to the Nultify account, and because of myself I have done already the sign up process. So you have to do sign up process after you will log in. So in my case I will already sign up, so I'll just click on the login, and it will give me the three options: login with GIT Hub, login with GIT Lab, and login with Bitbucket. So wait a minute, I will just log in with this GIT Hub. I have my account and I will show you. So after that I just got login. Now I'm going to deploy to Nultify, and it's just giving us a page. Here you can see my one side is already deployed here with the free hosting, published at this, and this is my owner name. So you can see here I will just need to drop or browse through the file. So I'm just getting this dropping because my file is on the desktop. So from here you can see the AMS file. I'm just getting browse drop and none. After uploading, it will be automatically published over there. You can see here, if I tell you how many sites I have published, so this is 251, and I have just published this site too. So if I see the deploys, it's just a deploys over there. How many deploys is the published site? So I have to see the site is deployed. Now I can just want it to preview. So preview, I need to go to the home page, takeaways, and here you can see there is two sites deployed. So I'm gonna open this next one, and in this I'm just clicking on that link, and you can see my site is deployed. Now I'm just copying this link. I'm just after copying this link, I'm just getting to the another tab. I'm just wanting to see if my site is fully hosted or not. So you can see it's fully hosted and it's working properly in every type of work and every type of growth information. Okay, I just double clicked on this. This is growth information, pesticides, everything is working properly, crop rates. So I can say that my site is 100% fully published on this. And if you want to delete this site, so you can just go to the town, and here you can see this delete site. So I don't need this site anymore at this time, so I'm just deleting it. And in this I have to do just copy this name from that to that. So I'll see, and after this I have to paste this in this and delete. So it will be deleted easily. So hope you like this video. Share, subscribe and follow my channel. Okay, we'll meet again with a new informative video with you guys soon.